Welcome to the bot, dude. Dude.
God,
Okay, we are still.
I can.
What? You cannot be scared just because you're gay? Dude, stop! Dude, why? Halika dito, sundan mo ako. Yay!
Hello, bro.
So that's literally the... Dude, that's literally the same key. I just got, dude. Yeah. Wait, don't bring the monster here. Oh my god, dude.
Don't bring the monster. Don't bring that.
Alright, follow me, everyone. Just literally a shortcut.
I wish that.
Follow me, everyone.
Wala!
Hoy, balik dito! Balik dito!
Mami!
Don't scream!
Uy, tulungan niyo naman ako!
Sorry, we can.
Mami!
At least I will try.
Mami!
Dude, Dwight, halika!
Mali wrong, bro.
Ay, dito lang pala. Alright, everyone. Ready to get jump scared again?
Yeah, bro.
Dude. Wait a minute, dude.
This not the
This is your fancy, digo.
Oh, please.
Teka lang. Save ate yung energy. Tama na.
Bro!
For what? Just because you're black?
What is this doing?
Follow me, everyone. Di tayo nangahabol ng halimaw ah. Dude, that is there. Dude. We're going.
Naman tayo.
Dito, Dwight! Dito! Follow me!
Kamali ba to? Uy!
Dude,
Kamali ba yan? Hindi.
dude, you're not the leader of the group, boy. Dwight! Halika! Ulit!
I got a key. Underwear.
Alright, follow us. Sundan mo ako, dude. I think I can survive.
I got the key.
Survive. So we are going to find the key again.
Yeah. Bro.
Dude,
Bro,
you're
there. Don't jump there. Bro.
sundan mo, halika dito. Yeah, let's get the key.
Who's got the key? Wait lang. Kamu ko ba yun?
Kuha ka mo si
Goro.
Engon.
Wrong.
Sundan mo ako, boy. Boy.
Yung choco rice.
Ano choco rice? Choco rice yung waka mo. Dude, that's a dead end. Follow me, everyone.
Ah! Sino yun? Sino yun, nanay? Sino yun? Oh, bayan naman kayo ah! Para naman kayo nagululat, gumulat.
Follow me.
Kayo na ako.
Dude, do you want to get those over the monster? Hey. Look at these boys. Dude, that's another dead end. Follow me.
Para nakita ko nini.
Ne.
Jumpscared ako.
Tulungan kita, Dwight. Follow me, everyone. Another dead. Ay, nagulat. Sundan niyo ako ulit. To follow us, follow.
Ano kaya kayo?
Dude, follow me, follow us, follow me. Follow me, boys. Boys and girls. We're gonna get the key again. Follow me. Stop being a jump scare. Stop being a scary cat. Dude, I feel brave. Do we going to the we go to the same place over and over again? Dude, damn. Follow me. I'm gonna wait you all. I don't wanna leave you all. Uy, bilis, wait! Bago mahabol tayo.
Ano yung dito?
Mali. Oo.
Balik!
Bakit? Dead end. Teka, paano hindi? Dwight! Hindi to dead end, boy. Saan ka pa? Dwight?
Dito ako.
Saan? Grabe, hindi ko mahanap yung ano. Pinto. Dito nakalak. Hindi. Hindi natin to kaya. Again.
Ano?
Again, dude. Dude, again. Again.
Mama, pangin this heat.
How you do it? We need to find a key and
Enjoy.
the lock door. And the lock door.
Ano sabi daw?
How you do it? How do you do it? We need to find the key and the lock door. Let's keep moving. Dude, we did find the key
So close.
and now the lock door. Earlier I find the lock door, but I forgot the location.
Yeah, bro.
The location of it. Dude!
You ready?
Now let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Let's go. Vamonos. Everybody, let's go.
Running po. Wong, wala na yung isa dito kayo, Wong.
Oh, nalib.
Kasi,
Hindi na kaya.
kasalanan mo kasi.
Hindi ko salanan.
Ay!
Follow me. So follow me, boys. We are going to the same loop.
Bro, what the heck? Naiwan nyo naman ako.
Why?
Naiwan nyo naman ako.
Teka lang. Let's go.
Oh, tignan.
Dude, naiiwan natin siya, dude.
Oh, really? What is it?
Ay, dyan na naman yun. Hoy, Dwight!
Tignan!